all, this is Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Today's top headlines: 3 more die in Andhra Pradesh due to COVID 19. Total cases rises to 1,930. COVID 19 toll in Andhra Pradesh increased to 43, with 3 more people succumbing to the virus in the last 24 hours. With 43 new cases, the total number of cases in the state increased to 1,913. According to the media bulletin issued by the State Command Control Room on Saturday morning, out of the 43 new cases, 16 were registered in Krishna district and 11 in Chittoor district, taking the total number of cases in those districts to 338 and 96 respective. Of the 3 victims, 2 of them were from Krishna, 1 from Kurnool. Anantapur district crossed 100 mark with 3 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases in the district now stands at 102. With another 5 new cases, Vishakhapatnam now has a total of 62 cases. Guntur district's tally increased to 376 with 2 more new cases reported. Another 6 cases were reported in Kurnool, taking the tally in the district to 553. The number of discharged now stands at 887 with 45 more people added to the list on Saturday. A total 8,388 samples were tested from 9 am on Friday to 9 am on Saturday. -180°C temperature in styrene tank caused gas leak at LG Polymers plant in Vizag. The LG Polymers plant at Venkatpuram turned into a beehive of restoration work on Friday, a day after a gas leak from it suffocated humans and animals alike, killing some of them and leaving hundreds hospitalized. The toll due to the mishap rose to 12, with the body of a 64-year-old being found at Escotam. The deceased had driven there in a bid to escape the deadly styrene fumes. At the KGS mortuary, heart-wrenching scenes played out as people gathered after hearing in the news that their relatives had died. Work on plugging the gas leak is being undertaken by a 7-member core team from LG Polymers and a 9-member expert team that arrived late on Thursday. The leak was caused as temperature in the tank storing styrene, which exists as a liquid when stored below 20°C at the plant, reached 180°C. The vaporized styrene then passed through the safety valve, and on Friday the temperature was brought down to 120°C. The tank storing it will be declared safe only after the temperature is brought below 100°C. Nurse health worker at SVIMS test positive in Tirupati. The number of COVID cases in Chittoor district increased by 2 on Friday evening, with 2 hospitalized staff tested positive. The figure will reflect in Saturday's medical bulletin. 2 hospital staff, including a nurse from Sri Venkateshwara Medical Sciences SVIMS in Tirupati, tested positive for COVID-19 and were admitted to the isolation ward in the same hospital. According to the medical superintendent of SVIMS, Dr. R. Ram, samples of a nurse who has symptoms of the virus were taken on May 5 and she tested positive on Friday. The condition of the nurse is stable. Medical professionals have been checking how she contracted the virus. Primary and secondary contacts of the nurse were traced and their samples were sent for testing, he said. Focus on more effective surveillance of COVID-19, Health Minister Harshvardhan to Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on Friday asked Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka to focus on more effective surveillance, contact tracing and early diagnosis to keep low fatality rate in COVID-19 cases. He also asked the states to intensify surveillance for severe acute respiratory infections SARI and influenza-like illness ILI in unaffected districts and districts which have not reported any fresh cases in the past 14 days and more through the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program network in collaboration with medical colleges and hospitals. Such measures will help to indicate the presence of any possible hidden infection at an early stage, thus helping in its timely containment, Vardhan stressed. The minister also asked the states to ensure adoption of infection prevention and control IPC practices in all healthcare settings to avoid and reduce chances of infections to health care workers. 10 fresh COVID-19 cases in Telangana Total cases at 1,132. 10 fresh cases of COVID-19 were reported in Telangana on Friday, taking the number of positive cases in the state to 1,132. State Health Minister E. Rajendra said, no fresh death was reported and the total toll remained at 29. He said 34 people were discharged from hospitals on Friday. The number of patients discharged from hospitals stood at 727. The number of people undergoing treatment as on date was 376, Rajendra said. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Buy and Times. Stay tuned, stay updated.